Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Actually, this is a re-vlogging, guys, no? Because the first vlog was, I said it was tax deck, but upon the continuation of our conversation with the owner, they said that it is titled not a tax deck. So he showed me the certified true copy of title. So I attach here the certified true copy of title. So I mute my audio na lang, guys. I mute my audio. Although I will not erase the first one. So again, the size is 17,154 square meters at 500 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay San Francisco, Talibon, Bohol. Approximately 5 kilometers from town proper and approximately 100 meters from concrete road, and it is along the road or barangay road. So the property is overlooking semi-flat and there are flat terrain also. There's slightly sloping, very slightly sloping, slightly lang, guys, and like an overlooking. So all are good for planting vegetables, and there's also a portion for rice field. Then ideal for residential, it's a fresh air, quiet area. So there are neighborhoods, but the place is very nice to live because not too many neighborhood, only few neighborhood. Okay, then the soil is good, no rocks, walang mga bato-bato. So it's really a very good listing. Then it's a clean title, owner still alive. Then in addition, owner will shoulder the capital gain tax, and that is the normal situation in selling the property because owner is the one who gain in selling the property. So according to them, they are willing to pay the capital gain tax. Then the price is 500 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So just make an offer, no? Then as you can see, the property is really very nice, no? Then it's nearer to the face pan, or almost adjacent to the face pan. Then meaning it's nearer to the shoreline. So maganda yan. See? So makita naman natin, no, medyo hindi marami ang bahay, at saka diyan maganda tayo magtayo ng sarili nating bahay. So at may rice field pa rin kung gusto natin magtanim tayo ng rice field. At saka may balon, hindi ko nakita yung balon, meaning deep well, hindi yung balon na pumuputok, o yung balon deep well. So but aside from that, as you can see in my first video, there is already a connection, so water line connection, so there's no problem, no? Then in addition, also the Signal, Smart, and Globe is okay. So see, again, our improvements are, there are mango trees. I think it's 3 or 4 mango trees. There's a bamboo. So if I were you, if you are buying this property, you need to have a relocation survey. So maganda talaga guys, before buying the property, no, mostly we will have a relocation survey para makita natin kung saan talaga, hanggang saan talaga yung binibili natin. Although it is a clean title, there's no problem with that because so it's already in. So kitang-kita na. Again guys, no, this is the portion of rice field. I think there are 2 blocks of rice field but not yet developed. So hindi nila tinaniman because the owner is not really around. They are living somewhere in Manila, no. But if you buy this property, you can have a rice field farming. So ito na po yon. Then again guys, no, from concrete road, it's around 100 meters or 150 meters away, more or less. Then going to the town proper, all are concrete road. I think there's a portion of 50 meters not concrete. I think it was already damaged. So then there is also a coming seaport nearby in the area. So maganda talaga. Then since it is nearer to the sea, maganda ang hangin guys. So then Talibon is a first-class municipality of Northern Bohol Province, approximately 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Then if you are going to go to Cebu City, there is also a ferry going from Talibon going to Cebu City, or you will go to Hitapi, next town. So Hitapi, Bohol is adjacent town of Talibon, which has also so many ferry or boat going to Cebu. Cordoba, Cebu, there is also in Lapu-Lapu and Cebu City. That is their route. Then if you are going to go to Cordoba, there is a barge that will carry a car. Then guys, there was already a plan again, Bohol to Cebu Bridge, Friendship Bridge. So it's a long time plan. Matagal na yan, pero baka hindi natin alam, maano na yan, nandyan man yan sa internet, Bohol Friendship Bridge. So dual yung benepisyo diyan. So according to the news, ang si Cebu, ang makuha niya sa Bohol is yung water, at ang makuha din ni Bohol from Cebu is the electricity. Parang ganyan guys. I'm not totally sure, pero that is what I have remembered to the plans, no. So Ito po yung kubo ng may-ari pag umuwi sila dito sa Bohol. Ito po yon. Yan, maliit lang yan pero at least you have a house to stay. So pwede na yan. Basta ano lang po, makastay ka lang dyan. Then and it's still along the road guys kasi parang mataas yung road na naka dikit sa lupa. So yun po. That's the road. So there's no problem with the road guys going to the property. So straight yan. So again, the property we're selling is 17,154 square meters, clean title, located in Barangay San Francisco, Talibon, Bohol, approximately 5 kilometers more or less from town proper, malls, seaport, and other commercial centers, schools, college schools, and also private schools and public schools. Then ano pa, LTO. May LTO sa Talibon. So nagbay na ako dyan guys ha. Okay, again, thank you. Ito po yung titulo, pero yan po ang certified true copy. Yan po. Okay, thank you, bye.